Welcome to my Math Bunker. This is Dr. Hine. Okay, so we're going to solve for the exterior of a triangle, the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, so I'll make up a triangle. So I have triangle VTU, and one of the angles is 55 degrees. Okay, and then angle U is 11x. Let's say 11x. Make that an x plus 3. And angle V is 19x plus 2. Now, we're asked to solve for the measure of angle. We want to know what the measure, M for measure, the measure of angle U is, okay? So I'm going to do that. Now, the exterior angle theorem, I'm going to use that first because they did not give me angle V, but they gave me the exterior angle, so I'll use the exterior angle theorem. And so what I'll do is I'll take the two remote interior angles, the 55 and the 11x plus 3, and I'll make it equal the exterior. I'll do that right quick. So 55 degrees. I'm going to add that to 11x plus 3. And I'm going to make that equal, let me change my color. I'll make that equal to the exterior angle, which is 19x plus 2. So 19x plus 2 and I'm going to begin by combining like terms. So look for my like terms. So I got some numbers over here. I can combine the 55 with the 3, and I can just make this 58. Let's make you an 8. And I just get rid of the 3. And then I'm going to move the x's one way. I like to attack the smaller x's. So I'm going to subtract 11x on this side of the equation. Then I must subtract 11x on the right side of the equal sign. Okay? So remember, whatever I do on the left side of the equal sign, I must do the same thing on the right side of the equal sign. And that leaves me with this. Okay. Okay, now 11 minus 11 will cancel out on the left side, and 19x minus 11x should give me 8x's. Now, because I chose to move the x's to the left, I must move the numbers to the right. So I'm going to move the 2 to the left, rather. Because I moved the x's to the right, I must move the numbers to the left, okay? So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. And 58, take away 2, is 56. And now I'm left with a simple equation. 56 equals 8x. So 8 times the number is 56. So I'm going to do the opposite operation. I'm going to divide both sides by 8. So 56 divided by 8 is 7, lucky 7. Now I want to know what the measure of angle U is. I know that x is 7. Angle U is 11x plus 3. So instead of having 11x, I'll put x in parentheses and I'll plug in the 7. That's all I do. And then I'll multiply 11 times 7, which is 77. Let me move that up a little bit. There we go. And then I'll add 3. So once I add 3, I get 80. And what does that tell me? Well, that tells me the measure of angle U is 80 degrees. And that's how to find the measure of an angle using the exterior angle theorem. And thank you for joining me for the Math Bunker.